Dad, look at this picture I can draw!
No, those are my notes. Wow, good job!
Ooh, what are those?
Nope. Those are not toys for playing with. Now, don't cry.
Now you have paper vase! Paper vase, Papa!
Daddy's on the phone, honey.
Yay! All A's on the tests! Those are the best! I am the smartest person in the world! That's right, I'm doing a great job! Look at these perfect grades!
What's this? Get out of here with that substandard grade! Ah! He's so loud!
Time to visit the principal! Ow!
Ah, she's so precious. What a good girl. Let me check out how she's doing. Wait a second. What is she doing? Is she putting her feet on the table? Uh-oh. Her fruit is getting away from her. Oh, phew. She stopped it. Looks like she's getting down to her studies. Hey, Skye. Do you mind if I sit here? Who is that boy and why is he bothering my daughter? You! Boy in the green hoodie sitting at that table! Get down to my office right now! Aw, man. What did I even do?
Seriously, Dad?
Sir, you wanted to see me? Take a seat. Whoa, those lights are really bright, and it's right in my eyes. It's a little warm in here, right? Perhaps you'll want this glass of water. You feeling okay? Now, let me take a closer look here. You have good eyes. A straight nose. Teeth are straight too, and white. Alright, you can sit up. Now, let's move on to the next steps, don't you think? You see this right here? Yep, this is my favorite tool. It's my lie detector test. I've turned it on, so now we can get started. Okay. I guess I'm ready. Are you in love with my daughter? Oh, no. No, sir. I mean, I'm not in love with her, no. Okay then. Do you want to date my daughter? Yes. But only if she said it was okay. Do you want to kiss my daughter on her lips? No, sir. We don't know each other well enough to do so. Ugh. Fine. Alright. So it seems like you're a truth teller. Now it's time for you to take a test. I need you to solve this math problem. I'll give you a few minutes. Aw, man. Why does it have to be math? I hate math. Yeah, we'll see how well he handles this equation. Can't forget to carry the remainder. Okay, I'm done with the test, sir. Alright, let me just take a look here at your solution. I think I aced it. Are you kidding me? You got this all correct? Out of my office! Phew. Okay, thanks. I'll just be going now, sir. What's that? It's a piece of paper. It fell out of his pocket. This says he loves Skye. He lied to me! Oh, that's it!
You've got to make sure your X and Y axes are set.
I don't think I got it.
Is this like tic-tac-toe? I can never win tic-tac-toe. The squirrel took my toaster.
And then, oops! Oh no! My pen! Phew! Caught it! Whoa. No way, miss. That was totally awesome. Well, what's going on? Why are we clapping? I better too. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. This is boring. I'm going back to my nap. What? I can't believe she's just sleeping in class. Ma'am, are you gonna just let her nap like that? You're right. I need to do something. Shh. Everyone stay quiet. We don't want to wake her up. How is this even fair? Well, I guess I'll take a nap too. Miles! There's no sleeping in class! Oh, I'm so sorry, Skye. I didn't mean to wake you up. Here, I know what I can do to fix this. Shh. Everyone be quiet like I said before. There you go. Just sleep on this comfy pillow. And then this blanket will keep you nice and warm. Perfect. And now one last touch. A soft and squishy teddy bear. Are you kidding us? There. She looks so peaceful. She's sound asleep. What? Ugh, so stupid. Is everything okay in here? No way! It's the principal! Quick! Look busy! Everything good? Okay. Aw, look at my little angel. Shh. Sir, sorry, but she's trying to sleep. Yes, fine. so dumb. So, as you can see, grades in this quadrant are up. Oh my gosh, I've got a red alert! Skye is in danger! I've gotta go!
This is just the worst ever. I hate this.
Psst. Skye. Excuse me. Go somewhere else, please.
Fine. Alright, I'm going.
Skye. Shh. It's me, your dad.
Huh? What the heck are you doing here, Dad?
Stop talking. Give me your hand. I need to check your pulse.
What? Why are you doing this? You're being so weird.
Okay, let me check your breath rate. Gotta make sure it's not too fast. And let me check your stomach, too. Oh no! I see what your problem is. Time to fix it. I'm Chef Dad now.
Whoa, how did the principal do that?
Wait a second. I'm being ridiculous. It's not whisk time yet. I have to crack these eggs first, of course. Seems good. Time to crack it and get to work. There we go. Are you watching, Skye? Impressed with your dad? Just need to crack a few more, and that should do it. Now I can get back to my whisking plans. There we go. Look at them. They're whipping up real nicely. Perfect whisking.
Yay! Good job, Dad!
Okay. Now I need to slice up some of these beautiful peppers. Whoa, close one. I almost sliced into my fingers. That would have been bad. I just want to cut the peppers.
You're right.
Alright, now I need this appliance over here. What do you think about this? It's an electric griddle. Alright, that's ready to go, and now for the eggs and peppers.
Wait a second.
What's going on over there?
This is a classroom for learning, not a place for cooking!
Whoa. You can't speak to me like that, because I'm the principal!
Oh my gosh, I didn't know. Silly me. I just didn't. Here, I have something for you. Some salt for your cooking.
Yes, thank you. Good thinking. Let me stir that in.
Okay, Dad. How do I look for prom?
Look nice? Oh, you look like a literal angel. You're going to have a wonderful night.
Oh my gosh! He's here! I'm so nervous and excited.
No one's come to the door yet. Oh my gosh, Skye! You look amazing! Wait right here, Skye. I need to check this out. Let's see. This is what you're wearing to prom? No, no, no. I will not allow this.
What are you doing?
Psh! Whatever. I guess I'll go change or something. Yes? Oh, you're back. And I see you've changed. Okay, so you like it? Skye, get back inside. And you, get out of here with that outfit. What the heck? So I guess he didn't like it? Nope. Nope. No way. No. Nada. Nope. No. Ooh, how about this one, Skye? Nope. No way. Ugh. Yikes. No.
Oh my goodness! Yes! This is great! Wait, door, stop! No, no, no!
Okay. I think this time it'll work. I see you're back. Let me take a look at you. Hi, Skye. Sir, I'd like to take your daughter to prom. Now that's what I'm talking about. Alright, have fun, you two.
Finally!
Hold up. Wait a second. What is that? What is what? Oh no! I forgot about my wallet chain. Yeah, no. Get out of here with that.
Miles! No! This is the worst prom ever.
Woo! Isn't this fun, Skye? Prom is fantastic.
Oh my gosh. Would you want your dad to be principal? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.